Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to report a Threads bug to Meta support. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is open up the Threads app so that we can get started with contacting Meta support. If you cannot even open up the application and you want to report that, I'm going to also be showing you by the end of the video how to contact Meta support. But basically, first go ahead and open up your Threads app. So if you do not already have it installed, what you want to do is go to the App Store and download the Threads application. After downloading and opening up and log into your Instagram account that you want to use, and after that we can get started. So after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page. This is going to be the home page from where we can get started, and from here we can get started with contacting support to go ahead and notify them of a problem. So the first thing we need to do is click this profile option that we have in the bottom right corner. Click on your profile picture. That's going to take you to this menu right here where you can take a look at everything regarding your profile. You can get started with tweeting, editing your settings, and so on. So what we're going to do is click this option in the upper right corner that will look like two lines. This is going to open up your menu. So here is our menu, all the options we can access, and we are looking for the help option right here. By clicking help, this is going to enable you to click report a problem, and from here you can get started with getting into and reporting any problems. So as you can see, when you see a problem, you can shake your phone. So once you find a bug, you can shake your phone, and this is going to enable you to go ahead and send the bug to the Meta employees, tell them what the bug is, and they are going to go ahead and get started with getting back to you on updating you if they are fixing it. So basically that's how to do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.